We have returned to defeat new villains for this artifact, for the two last series. Alright, we must do this together. Agreed. Same with him. Me too. Diego's on the way. Woohoo! Okay, friends. We gotta assemble ourselves. Okay, the villains are invaded. They're called the worst friends from school. Ready? Starting now. 1, 2, 3. Together forever. No more villains for the rest of our lives. That's it. That's all the villains we can all defeat. And the other villains are still Legion of Doom, and the other new villains will be part of it. That's it. Goodbye.